What's up guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find most repinned pins on Pinterest. For example, I would like to search for most repinned pins about motivational quotes for success. You can type any keyword and I will show you how you can search the most repinned pins on Pinterest. For that purpose, you need to use a simple Chrome extension, and its name is Pin on Top Chrome extension. Just type Pin on Top Chrome extension in your Google search, and then the first extension, click on this, the very first link. This is Pin on Top, say on top of Pinterest trends. I have already installed this extension, that's why I don't need to install it again. Just you can see it is here, pin on top. What I will do is type my keyword in the search bar of Pinterest, then hit enter. After hitting enter, the pins will show here. Then click on this extension. Now it says auto load after 4 pages. You can change this to 5, 6, even to 5 or 6 or whatever pages you would like to check for top pins. I would like to check 4 pages. Then click on sort by saves. It will sort all the pins by the number of repins. It is reloading, auto reloading every page, and it will do it for 4 times. You can see. Now, after checking 4 pages, it has given me these pins. These are the most pins on Pinterest about motivational quotes for success. You can see 12,291 saves, 11,619 quotes, pins, repins, and 11,402 repins. Hence, it is also arranged in terms of the number of saves. The down you go, the number of saves will reduce. The most repins pins are here on the left. So this is how you can do your research for most pins on Pinterest. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel. My name is Subha Malik, and I like to put up these videos on weekly basis. Thanks for watching.